friendship turned into something deeper, something we couldn't ignore. We became each other's safe sanctuary, each other's dream. It was here that love took root.
In this chapter, we learn to grow together, to love through the highs, and hold on through the lows. It wasn't always perfect, but it was real. It was ours.
And now, we're here, ready to write the final chapter of this story.
A chapter that doesn't end, but continues to grow. Marriage is our promise, a vow to choose each other every day, to face every challenge with resilience and fortitude, to celebrate every victory as one.
This isn't just a new beginning. This is the start of forever.
I am Michael Buffalo,
And I am Russell Jean Aguelo.
and
This is our love story.
Ikaw ang bahandi, dugay ko nang gihandom. Ikaw ang bituon, sa ngit-ngit kong baybayon. Ikaw lang akong higugmaon. Ikaw lang ako matinod-anon. Ikaw akong hangin, ikaw akong ulan, ikaw akong langit, ang akong kalibutan. Ikaw akong higugmaon. Ikaw ako matinod-anon. Ikaw akong gahapon, ikaw akong karon, ikaw akong kanunay, pulong ko tinod-anay, kasing-kasing paminawa, dinuyugan ng gitara, waka ng inusara, kani mo na higugma. Ikaw Ikaw ang katamis, kalipay nga way sama. Ikaw ba nasayod sa likod ng pahiyom? Ikaw lang akong higugmaon. Ikaw lang ako matinod-anon.